Hi, my name's Jennifer Dunlap, and I'm going to show you how to create a lesson in Nearpod. So you're going to log in and you're going to go to your library, and from there you're going to click on Create Your Own Lesson. Okay, once you're in the lesson, you can add a slide and start from scratch, or you can upload files that you have anywhere on your computer or Google Drive, like a Google Slide, a document, a PDF, anything like that will work. Okay, so here you can see I uploaded a Google slide presentation, and so I have all these slides here on land biomes, and so I'm just going to add some more content to it, maybe some activities, and then I'll be done. Okay, so I already added one of the slideshows. That's just images that I uploaded for students to look at visuals. So let me try to add another one. You can see my next one is the deciduous forest. So if I click on add slide and then add content, here's all my choices that I have. I'm going to click on slideshow, and then I'm going to upload from my computer. I said deciduous forest, yes, okay. And I'm going to upload all these pictures on the deciduous forest. Okay, now you can see that a new slide automatically goes to the bottom of the lesson. So we're going to have to move that eventually. Okay, here's another picture and another one I'm going to add. Maybe put some plants of the deciduous forest in my slideshow, or some animals. Okay, I also like to add a biome map, so that way students know where deciduous forests are located at. And then I am done with this slideshow. Okay, so I'm going to click on save, and then I'm going to move this up. To where it belongs, next to the temperate deciduous forest. Okay, and then let's say I want to add a question after students have read the information, taken notes on it, and looked at the images. So I'm going to click on add slide, add activity. Okay, and then let's say this time that I want to collaborate. Okay, and on this collaborate board, I'm going to say the topic is temperate deciduous forest, and my question is going to be summarize what you learned about the deciduous forest. Okay, and then students can kind of share their answers. I'll choose a background. All right. And then again, that went to the bottom, so I am going to have to move it up to where I want it in my lesson. Okay, so now we've added just a little more detail to our interactive lesson. All right, there's some other things we can add. Let's say that I want to add a website. Okay, I have a game here. It's called Build a Biome, so I'm going to just copy this page, and then I'm going to paste it here. I can test the link if I would like to make sure that it does work. Okay, and then I'm going to click on save. And this I would probably keep at the end of the lesson, because it'll be kind of like a review game. And I should see it at the bottom there, yes. Okay, all right, now let's say I want to add a video somewhere. So I'm going to click on add content, add video, and then what I can do is go to YouTube and click on, or type in, here we go, biomes introduction. Okay, and then here you see some videos on biomes from YouTube. And I am actually going to change this and put land biomes because that's what my lesson is about. Alright, so we're just going to use this one here. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's say it looks good, we like it. I'm going to save it. Alright, and then I'm going to, again, I'm going to put this at the very top. So, I'm going to move it up. Move it on up. Here we go. And you can see this one has actually a lot of slides, so it's a little bit more difficult to move around. Right, and I'm going to put that one right after the introduction slide. Okay, now let's say that we want to add some type of graphic or something like that. So again, I would go to add content, and then I could go to slideshow. Okay, and this time I'm going to upload a picture. This one, biomes infographic. Okay, and it should pop up down here. This is what it would look like. I have one image there that kind of summarizes all of the biomes. So I'm going to put that right before the game. And then let's say I want to add a document. Okay, so I'm going to click on add content. And then, oops, what did I just do? Oh, Desmos. I would like to add one of those, but I don't think that can apply. Alright, so add content, and then I am going to click on PDF viewer, and I'm going to upload matching activity. Okay, let's click on that. Now this is going to upload a PDF, and your students can write on a PDF using the read and write tool, and then they can save that to their Google Drive and even turn it in online. So let's say, to summarize this after they play the game, so actually let's leave it as the last slide, they're going to match the biome plants and animals up with the correct biome. Okay? Alright, and then throughout here I can also add other things if I'd like. If I go to add activity, I could add a quiz, multiple choice that is, a draw it. Okay, let's say for draw it, I could say draw an animal from the desert biome. Okay, and then from there I could click save, and I could move that one around to where I need to move it to based on where the desert biome is. Alright, and then that would be pretty interesting to see what animals or what the students draw for animals, camels or a lizard or snakes. Alright, and then we can add some other cool things. Where does it go? Oh, there it is. Okay. Alright, well, I'll fix that later. So we can add a few other things if we'd like to. For example, you can add another collaborate question or a poll. Let's say we want to add a poll. Which biome do you like the best. Okay, and then we could say the taiga, deciduous forest, desert, tropical rainforest. Okay, and then grasslands. And then we would say, what did I forget? Okay, well, you get the point. So then we'll add that to our lesson, and then you're done. Delete this. All right, so that's how you create the lesson. And then when you are done creating the lesson, here it is, you click Save and Exit, and then you can share it with your students. All right, thank you. Hope that was helpful.